Welcome back to Vitality Health Sphere. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of strengthening your core. This isn't just about looking good at the beach, although hey, that's a nice bonus. Your core plays a massive role in how your body functions every single day. We're going to break it all down, cover the benefits, and even chat about some simple ways to get started. Let's do this. What is your core, really? First things first, let's talk about what your core actually is. A lot of people think it's just your abs, but there's so much more to it. Your core includes your rectus abdominis, that's the six-pack muscle, but also your obliques on the sides, your transverse abdominis, which is a deep, stabilizing muscle, and your back muscles like the erector spinae and multifidus. Even your diaphragm and pelvic floor muscles play a role in core strength. Think of your core as a cylinder that supports your whole body. It's the center of everything, hence the name core. When you move, lift, twist, or even breathe, your core is engaged. And if it's strong, it works like a natural support system to keep you steady and efficient. If it's weak, well, let's just say your body has to work a lot harder. Why does core strength matter? Alright, let's talk about the why. Why should you care about strengthening your core? Turns out the benefits are pretty incredible and they affect almost every part of your life. Let's break it down. Improved balance and stability. Picture this. You're hiking up a rocky trail, walking on ice, or even standing on a crowded bus. Your core is what keeps you upright and steady in these situations. A strong core improves your balance and stability, which means you're less likely to wobble, trip, or fall. And this isn't just important for athletes. As we get older, balance tends to decline naturally, which is why building core strength is like investing in your future self. It helps you stay confident and steady on your feet no matter your age. Think about all the little things you do every day, reaching for something on a high shelf, tying your shoes, carrying groceries, or picking up your kids. All of these movements rely on your core. When your core is strong, these tasks become easier and less tiring. You'll notice you have more energy and less strain on your body. It's like your own personal upgrade to a smoother, stronger version of yourself. Let's talk about back pain for a second. Did you know that it's one of the most common reasons people miss work or see a doctor? A weak core is often a major culprit because it forces your lower back to pick up the slack. When your core muscles are strong, they support your spine and keep everything in alignment, which can help prevent or reduce back pain. If you spend a lot of time sitting, strengthening your core is a must. It's one of the best ways to protect your back and feel better day to day. Boosts athletic performance. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a professional athlete, or someone who just loves a good run, your core is your secret weapon. It helps you generate power, transfer energy through your body, and move more efficiently. Think about a tennis player hitting a serve or a runner powering through their stride. That movement starts from the core. Even activities like swimming, cycling, or golfing are all about that core connection. Want to take your game to the next level? Focus on your core. Supports better posture and breathing. Good posture isn't just about looking confident, it's about protecting your body from unnecessary strain. Your core helps you sit and stand tall, which reduces the risk of muscle fatigue and joint issues. Plus, a strong core supports your diaphragm, which makes breathing deeper and more efficient. Better breathing equals better energy and focus. Win-win. How to strengthen your core. Alright, now that you know why your core is so important, let's talk about how to strengthen it. The good news is you don't need fancy equipment or hours at the gym. Here are some simple and effective ways to get started. Planks. These are a classic for a reason. Start with 20 seconds and work your way up. Bridges. Great for engaging your glutes and lower back. Bird dog. This one's awesome for stability and coordination. Side planks. Don't forget to work those obliques. Functional movements. Try things like balancing on one leg or using a stability ball. The key is to focus on form. Quality over quantity always. And don't forget, consistency is everything. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Alright, friends, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this inspired you to start showing your core some love. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with someone who could use a little core motivation. And I want to hear from you. What's your favorite core exercise, or what's one you've always wanted to try? Drop it in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay strong, stay balanced, and remember, your core is the powerhouse of your body. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.